At first glance, it looks like a statue, a frozen, silent monument of the North. But don't let the silence fool you. Beneath that jagged blue skin, a titan is waking up. This is a glacier, a river of ice weighing billions of tons, and right now, it's moving. It's grinding mountains into dust and reshaping the planet, 1 inch at a time. This is the science of the sleeping giant.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
How does something that heavy move? It's a process called basal sliding. Think of it like a giant slip and slide. The immense pressure from the weight of the ice actually melts a microscopic layer at the very bottom. This thin film of water acts as a lubricant, allowing the giant to glide over the bedrock. Without this tiny layer of sweat, the giant would be stuck forever. But it's not just sliding, it's flowing. Deep inside, under the crushing pressure of its own weight, ice stops acting like a solid and starts behaving like a viscous fluid, almost like cold honey. This is internal deformation. The ice crystals actually deform and slide past each other, allowing the glacier to bend around corners and flow over hills without shattering. A glacier is a giant with a massive appetite. At the top, in the accumulation zone, it eats snow. As that snow turns to ice, gravity pulls it downhill. At the bottom, the ablation zone, it exhales by melting or breaking off into the sea as icebergs. When the giant eats more than it breathes, it grows. But today, our giants are breathing out much faster than they can eat, causing them to retreat up the mountains. Sometimes, the giant stops sleeping and starts to sprint. This is called glacial surge. For reasons scientists are still studying, a glacier can suddenly move 100 times faster than usual, advancing several meters in a single day. It's a spectacular, chaotic rush of ice that can change a landscape in weeks. Every valley you see, every great lake, and every jagged fjord was carved by these sleeping giants. They are the world's greatest architects, using ice as their chisel and gravity as their hammer. As our climate warms, the giants are waking up faster than ever before. If you could stand in front of a moving glacier for 1 minute, what sound do you think you'd hear? The crack of ice or the roar of water? Let us know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.